Hi, welcome back to Skirmish by Argent Agent. This is map 8, Floodgates. So let's start by dealing with these Mincubi, so we can get the red key. And then also to these Holniks, to get some damage. It's fine. Save a rocket. Alright, so down here is the floodwater area. Grab this health. And I'm just going to skip over the fight down here. So hit that switch. It's going to allow us to go through this gate and grab plasma rifle. And then we can get up here where we can safely deal with these pain elementals. And chain gunners, etc. Because we skipped over that first fight down in the floodwater area, there's now a whole bunch of enemies down there, including a spider mastermind, and they're all going to get stuck in fighting, so you don't have to worry too much about them. A bunch of arachnotrons in the back there. I'm not concerned about health for the moment because once I push down into that arachnotron corridor, there's a megasphere down the end there. Oops. Really thought that arachnotron was going to die. Just want to make sure that there's not pain elemental alive anywhere. It's going to be extremely annoying. Right, deal with the last of the spiders. Get down here to grab megasphere, etc. So this switch is going to unleash the next wave, and on the back is another switch that reveals a secret soul sphere. So let's do this wave of revenants, and I want to be pretty aggressive. There's also a couple of vials in the back. See. But if we get lucky, the vials will come forward and allow us to rocket them. Sort of. Whoa. Blocked by Kako. It's alright, we got that berserk to heal up. I've wasted a whole bunch of it already. When the vial's dead. There's so much to ask. I'm going to pile up at the entrance here. Alright, there's one down. What are the others doing? There's 3 of them total. There should be 2 in this sort of corridor area. And... ow. Here resurrection's going on. Alright. I think this area is safe, so yellow key, push the switch, it sends it off down to the floodwaters, so it's going to get dropped down there. But down there is also a bit crowded at the moment, but I can grab this secret soul sphere. Now let's head down here. Watch out for spectres, they're really good at combined with auto aim at making your face rocket. So just want to see, is there a vial still? Yep, sure is. So I want to get rid of that vial before continuing on. Good place to lure him out is kind of over here. Rev rocket. Thanks. Cool. So many Kakos. Alright. We got heaps of plasma, so yeah, just here is an excellent place to lure the vial. Yep. That wasn't a great position for him to be in, but already taken some damage, so... Alright, let's make a loop around. I should be able to get the super shotgun now, hopefully. Should be a clean path to it. Yep. And we can use that to clean some things up here. And there's fewer enemies this way now, so we should be able to grab this. Ow! Yeah, so the problem with that is that it spawns in 2 cybers. And the first one spawns right above you. And I thought there were less spectres than there actually are. Okay, so I'm just gonna plasma down this Cyberdemon. Neither of these Cyberdemons are particularly good at infighting. You do have to keep an eye on rockets. Difficult to see them when you're firing plasma. Comes on. Okay, so this bit's a tad tedious. Trying to spawn the cybers in too early, they can. It's very difficult because especially because the one spawns right above where the yellow key is. And it's easy to just get instantly rocketed by him if there's nowhere to maneuver to. So I should be able to take him out from here. So similar thing, just gotta watch for rockets. And also keep an eye on that hallway to make sure that there's not anything coming in. Which I think okay for. Cyber, just die. Right, sweet as. Tilt to this Baron. So just cleaning up whatever's left. Stragglers and the Revenant. Should have 2 enemies left. Perfect. There's 2 Archviles in the exit room. Oops. First of which cannot move. Wasn't perfectly tidy. This one's locked in place, so you can't move. And that is Floodgates done. Another pretty tough level. Well, there's a few ways you can go about it. I'm skipping out that first wave, so you could take that on and then sort of have less to worry about. The Revenant wave I think is pretty tough, and the positioning of the Cyberdemons is pretty awkward. I couldn't find a good way to kind of utilize them for any sort of useful infighting, so instead I got stuck just sort of plasmaing them down at the end, but got through it, and thanks for watching.